welcome to Excel video 437. I'm Nate Moore. I got a call from a group the other day that said, hey Nate, we want to get started in business intelligence. Where do we start? The more we talked, the more we said, you know what, build charges is the place to grab data. Grab all the data around build charges you can. Charge, modifier, location, referring provider, rendering provider, everything you can get around those charges, and you'll understand productivity. You can look at referral patterns. You can look at coding patterns. You can get RVUs if it's in that data, and you can really get a grip around what's going on in your practice. You might start with build charges in your practice as well. One more if example, and they keep getting more complicated, and I just want to show you what can be done. Remember our pre-auth that we've looked at the past couple of Excel videos? We know a patient and a primary insurance, a surgery date, and a pre-auth number. We're going to get fancier here. Well, let's just run the code. I've attached the latest version of our code to this button, so we'll let it run. And we've got things that we're leaving alone. We've got other things that are going red and blue. Some of these we're almost fading out. Some of these are bright yellow. Let's figure out what's going on. So we're going to start at the top, and as we've done for all these pre-auth videos, we're just going to grab everything in column A and start at the third row. And the first thing we're going to do is start with three different conditions. We're going to say, hey, if the insurance is not Medicare, and remember this is empty A4, this is column 4 on the row we're on that says there's no pre-authorization. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the date that's in the third column and compare that to row 1, column 7, which is my master date, today's date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, if it's not Medicare and I don't have a pre-authorization number and this date is within 7 days of this date, then we're going to go bold and red and we're going to work on those. If any one of these three conditions is not true, we're going to jump to here and just say, hey, if it's Medicare and there's no pre-auth, then we're going to change the color. Then if this isn't true and this set isn't true, we're going to come here and say, well, hey, if we started the pre-authorization, then let's do something different still. And let's grab, if we see that asterisk, let's grab those 4 columns and do something different to that row. And we can do the same thing here. The thing I want to show you here is that we can check this cell to see if it's Aetna or if it's Cigna. See this or here? Up in the past we've used and, we've used and, we've used and. You can use or in this logic as well. If this is true or this is true, then go light up something yet different again. You can jump through as many hoops as you need to, make this as complex as you need to get your pre-auths exactly the way you want them. But when it gets that complex, there's an easier structure, syntax. It's called case. We're going to play with case statements in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.